Hi there, I'm Mike Friedlander. Welcome to the newest addition to the Fralin Biomedical Research Institute at Virginia Tech Carilion. It's my pleasure to take you on a tour of this wonderful new facility to introduce you to the spaces, the instrumentation, and the investigators that are addressing some of the world's most pressing health challenges. Here we are in the atrium of this wonderful new facility. As you can see, it's extremely expansive, full of light, and provides opportunities for strategic collisions between the folks working here on a day-to-day basis. Here on the ground floor, we have a number of fantastic classroom facilities that enable investigators from many disciplines to come together and hear lectures and have seminars. In addition, we have a world-class imaging facility that includes MRI, a high-field MRI with PET, or positron emission tomography, and a micro-PET CT system. All of these allowing unprecedented high-resolution visualization inside the living body. Within our ground floor imaging facility is located one of our newest faculty members, Dr. Win Ligon, who has worked at the forefront of the use of focused ultrasound to modulate human brain activity for over a decade. Dr. Ligon's research focuses on using low-intensity focused ultrasound to develop new potential treatments for addiction and chronic pain. Also on the ground floor, we have the College of Veterinary Medicine's Animal Cancer Care and Research Center that provides care and clinical trials for treating cancer in pets, including dogs and cats. This facility includes one of the world's highest level linear accelerators for treating solid tumors and cancer, and has a medical oncology and surgical oncology facility. Here on the first floor is located our Biomaterials and Body Device Interfaces thematic area. In this wing, we have a number of facilities, including a good manufacturing practices lab, 3D printing facilities, and wet labs, enabling engineers and biologists to carry out cross-disciplinary collaborative research. Also, on the first floor, we have the neuroscience wing. In fact, we have one of our newest investigators located in that wing right now, Dr. Jenny Munson, a biomedical engineer who is working to solve some of the most challenging problems in brain cancer by understanding the mechanics of how fluid flows around brain tumors, and how understanding variations in these processes between individuals may be used to develop personalized therapies. On the second floor, we have a brand new human metabolism and obesity research facility, including whole room calorimeters, a metabolic kitchen, and patient study and support facilities. Also, on the second floor, we have our cardiovascular sciences wing, currently occupied by 4 research teams confronting the leading cause of death in America, cardiovascular disease. Dr. Scott Johnstone studies how healthy blood vessels are altered by disease, as well as cellular proliferation and vascular disease after stenting procedures. Dr. Jessica Flager investigates the regulation of gene expression in response to cellular stimulation, metabolic changes, and stress in the heart. Dr. Yassine Sassi studies the role of microRNAs in both heart and lung diseases. And Dr. Junko Warren studies metabolic reprogramming in heart failure to identify key mechanisms underlying heart disease. Here on the third floor, we have our infectious disease and immunity wing. Operating within that wing right now is our molecular diagnostics lab led by Dr. Carla Finkelstein that are processing COVID-19 tests. Also on the third floor, we have the Biological Safety Level 3 facility led by Dr. Jamie Smith, which enables researchers to work with infectious agents in a carefully controlled and closed environment. This allows us to take on not only the current COVID crisis, but future pandemics that may emerge. In addition, the third floor houses Virginia Tech's Center for Biostatistics and Health Data Science, led by Dr. Alex Hanlon. This center aims to achieve excellence in Virginia Tech's research portfolio by fostering collaborations across disciplines and providing expertise and mentorship in biostatistics, data science, analytics, statistical programming, and data management. And finally, here on the third floor, we have this beautiful green roof area that allows our investigators to take a break sometimes, step outside, and see the beautiful neighboring Blue Ridge Mountains, and also to interact with some of the local wildlife here in the garden, including the butterflies and bumblebees. A second exciting decade of growth has begun here at the Fralin Biomedical Research Institute. This facility will enable us to make major advances, and coupled with our new partnership with the Children's National Medical Center in Washington, D.C., we will have a major impact on the health of all people throughout the lifespan.